How's it going? This is Matthew with High Yield Neurosurgery, and this is a quick demonstration of our Residency Rank List model. So this is a fairly basic Excel model that I created to help you create a somewhat objective way to build your rank list. Now, I don't mean for this to be a comprehensive way for you to build your rank list, but as a tool you can use to assist in the process. So in this model, any of the cells that are gray mean that they can be filled in, and the remainder are locked. So things are across the top are the factors that are important to you in a program, and then you'll have the different programs where you interview, and as you score them, which we'll go through, it'll build a rank list for you. So these are the factors. These are several factors here that I put in that are just fillers that may or may not be important to you. Any one of these can be changed, as you can see here. But also there's, at the bottom, space for an additional factor. So perhaps distance to home is important for you, or job opportunities for your significant other, or recreational opportunities. And you can see that after we filled those factors in, they were updated up above in the model. Now, what you can then do is rank how important these factors are comparatively to one another. Now, automatically have them all filled equally at a rank of 5, but you can get an idea here is 5 is very important, 1 is not important. So let's go ahead and change some of these weights just for example's sake. So above, what you can do is the programs that you interview at, you'll put those names in here. I've just generally done program 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's space for up to 20 programs in the model. And then what you'll do is at any point here, you can get a drop-down list of 1 through 5 and scoring these different programs. You can also type these in. So let's just fast forward as I go through these. And what you can see is that there's a heat map based on how well these different factors were scored for each individual program. And then based on the weight that you gave those factors, it creates an overall score. And if you just go here and sort descending, it'll go ahead and rank your programs based on what you did. You can also rank the programs by any specific factor that you want, but by default it is sent as descending here for the overall score. So if you want a copy of this residency rank list model, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, as well as follow me on Twitter and send me a message on Twitter, and I will go ahead and send you one. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching the video.